Assalamualikum guys, Eid Mubarak, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to show you how my Eid is in quarantine. And yes, I am wearing the Eid outfit that I made, and you could check that out in the last video. I'll link that in the description. So now I'm going to help my mum make a carrot cake, so when my family wakes up we could all enjoy it. So my mum very kindly assembled all the ingredients. So we got carrots, here we got baking powder, sugar, eggs, butter, melted butter. Here is egg whites. Oh no, it's oil. It looks like egg whites to me. Wait, there's eggs there, so it can't be egg whites. It's very early in the morning and I didn't sleep all night. I pulled an all-nighter because I don't know why. Maybe I wanted to vlog very early. I just couldn't sleep. And my mum already made sondesh, and we have a sondesh recipe on our channel if you want to check that out. And obviously for the base of the cake we will need flour, which my mum is getting right now. Never forget to sieve in your flour when you're making a cake, especially because having clumps in a cake mixture is the worst thing ever.
Whether I should go in the front garden. It was a very windy day.
I feel like the neighbours are probably like thinking about what am I doing at this time in the morning. I can see the classic red rose over there. Let's get a close up. So this is Eid in quarantine. Basically on my own. I'm gonna go on a walk. I haven't went on a walk, and this is gonna sound bad, I haven't went on a walk outside in 9 weeks, but I don't see anyone around. And whoop, tripped over that. That shows I'm very unexperienced at walks, because I went on a walk in ages and I've never vlogged outside, so this is my first time doing this. Feeling a little insecure, but not being outside for 9 weeks, my mum is probably wondering what am I doing. My mum is gonna be like, where am I gone? I can't go far, my mum's gonna get worried. But I haven't walked up to this part in 9 weeks or 10 weeks, either one of those. But you know, I'm just gonna walk around, it feels good. Hear the birds, it's early in the morning. Oh, should I go on a longer walk? Would anyone think I'm a weirdo for talking to myself this early in the morning? Oh, is it normal now since we're all in self-isolation and we have nothing to do and we're full of boredom? But it's very important to self-isolate during this pandemic because we don't want to spread the virus. Basically showing you guys an empty street. I'm very boring at the moment. Oh, even the cat's bored of me now. The cat's bored of me, it's walking away. Yay, breakfast time! My mum is just toasting some bread for me. And I'm just going to put that potato, mashed potato with spices in between and eat it. I'm actually very hungry. Not sleeping makes you very hungry. Breakfast. So the cake is all done. We're just going to let it cool down. Just going to leave it a bit open so it can cool down. And I'm going to go and take a nap and wake up when all my family wakes up. Inside the chicken mince filling, we have a homemade chicken mince video, and we also have a homemade lumpita video. And you just combine it together and you get this. My younger sister decided to come and join us. What? I'm not filming her face, don't worry. She's a little camera shy. And that was my mum. We still have to call our relatives to check in and wish them a happy Eid. How is it?
Good.
Okay. How is it, Amma?
Good.
Amma made all the food and it's really good. I'm really happy. So now it's time to check out the chapati carrot cake. First time tasting it. The cake with chapati flour actually works, which I'm surprised about. It does have a different taste to self-rising flour, but it isn't a bad taste. It's just a little bit more chewy and compact. But it still works, it's different and it tastes good, and you might want to try it and tell me what you think. It's because we made it with chapati flour because there was no self-raising flour in the shops, so I was like, you know what, we'll just use chapati flour and see what happens, and no regrets.
Hamra ti Eid Khoram, high school.
It's like an obstacle course. Okay, so we got this way we could go, that leads to a ditch, or this way that leads to a little grass bit. Let's go down this path for once. I haven't actually been down. Whoa, that moved. I haven't actually been down this path. Look, my brother's here. Oh, that's cute. Some more plants. Oh, looks very like clay. No, it's not. It's wood or something. I don't know what that is. I haven't actually been down this part yet. Yeah, it's still being worked on. And there's another plant over there. Still being worked on. Let's go back round. There's my mother. Oh, mashallah, she's looking beautiful in her Eid outfit. Now, I'll walk back. basically what you do in quarantine, Eid. Just be happy for the things you have and walk outside in any little space you have or any space. There's another view from my garden. There's loads of like bits to our garden and loads of views that even I haven't seen them all. And see if I could get around that way. Oh, it's like an arrow pointing, like from there, the log arrow pointing to the grass bit, and you can just sit and enjoy. It's like good shade here as well. There's more good shade areas. Oop. Kind of have to be careful in some parts. Another grass bit. Bugs, bugs. There's bugs, it's fine. No. Do you feel like every time you see loads of bugs, you feel like getting bitten by something when it's all in your head? That's what happens to me. I don't. Maybe in another video show you the inside of this, because I've been seeing in our videos, but we never ever showed the inside. The inside is actually quite interesting. More plants, more plants, sun, my mum, house, concrete blocks, chives, they're very delicious in salads. Walk over here, it's a dead end, more plants, gooseberries, more plants. More garden, another shed. Wait. How do I get over here? My sister. I have another sister as well. She takes time to get ready, even if it's in quarantine and no one's gonna actually see her. She takes time to get ready. Okay, time to get over the log again. Look at the strawberry patch. It's like one of my favourite berries. Right, carry on walking. Oops. Carry on walking. And then we have more plants at the side. Grass patch. And the great thing about this artificial grass is that you don't get mud, which I prefer. More plants. Plums are coming. It's currently May. So it's gonna come. It's like a barrier to keep anything unwanted out. Currently 3:31 AM editing, and just realised that these are for the runner bean plants. Trees. Those and those are trees, which is good for the environment. And a little hill. It's not even a hill, it's just a taller bit. And where you could get a good view. Okay, let's run down. Oh, big apple trees. We've got loads of fruit trees. My dad loves gardening. And he also loves leaving shovels in beds. And my brother. Yeah. Every year he wears those for Eid. It's like his favourite set.
Kusa wears that red dress every night.
No, I don't.
When you go to Shama's house.
That's because that's your lead. Good dress. So that's coming tomorrow.
Mashallah, they all look wonderful in the Eid outfits. And whoop, I tripped again over this little bit. I need to learn how to walk. Just loving his Eid run. Love the plants. It just makes your mind feel a lot more fresh. And I also need to be extra careful on where I walk and if not to trip over because I'm wearing a white skirt which can get dirty very easily. Oh, I didn't show you the little seat.
What am I on the box?
So my mum sat on the seat that my dad made. And this is a great place to sit down because it's got shade and it's a great place to read.
Flower.
Yeah, you got a view of the flowers. They kind of died out now. But if I had the picture of when they were alive, I'd insert them right here. But it's a great place to read here. It's very relaxing.
Early in the morning.
Yeah, especially early in the morning. I like to do that. Just come outside and read to like refresh your mind and get a good start to the day. Are you having a happy Eid? And he's off with his cornflakes box, which is, he likes to get taking box and making things. And the only people that are not in my vlog today is my dad and my sister. They don't want to be in my vlog. They're a bit too embarrassed of me. Well, my dad did clean this garden up just for me to film it, so here it is. And my brother. So that's it. Hope you have a good Eid in quarantine. So make sure you like this video and comment down below on what other things you'd like to see in the future. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. And make sure you share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Amma, do you want to say something?
Eid Mubarak.